guys, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about two things: how to fill in your edges. If you have receding edges or your hair has been falling off due to so much wig, if you're following me, you can tell that on my Instagram I decided to give up the wig for at least this week. It's so hot out there, very hot. And you know what, guys? And you guys know what? They say that black don't crack. Yes, black don't crack. And most of the time I like to show my bare face how I look without makeup. With or without makeup, I could care less about that. So guys, if you're coming over here for this first time, I am Katia Volino. I am a lifestyle and a beauty blogger. I talk about mostly skincare, well-being, lifestyle on this channel, most especially skincare. I also have another channel where I do vlog. I post vlog here once in a while, but regularly on weekly basis I do my vlog on the other channel, which I will leave in the first comment section. So this is one of the tips that I have been using to close up my edges. You can also use dark eye pencil or eyeliner, put it around and use one of your old mascara brushes to brush it in. So brush that back. So today I want to share with you guys about banana. Most of the time when you see your banana get to this color like rotten banana, you are tempted to throwing that away. Do not throw this away. This goes a long way in doing a lot of things on your skin, including diminishing fine lines, killing acne and pimples. They kill acne, they kill pimples. And when I talk about that, I mean the skin of the banana. They also help to decrease puffiness around your eye area and get rid of dark circle around your eye area. Today I will share with you two ways that you can use banana skin on your face. So on your skin, the first thing you want to do is to take banana like this, and you're gonna slice, the banana peel. And you're gonna place it right under your eyes. This is if you have dark circle and puffy eyes. You want to place this here. So you want to rub the inside of the banana skin all over your face. It's going to make your skin much clearer, taking away acne, pimple, sun damage on or before you go out to the sun. After you have applied this on your skin, you want to wait for about 10 minutes to wash it off. So the next option is making a banana face mask, which you need the skin of the banana. So to make the banana face pack, you need a blender. You need banana skin, dump it into here, and I will use blueberry yogurt. Blueberry yogurt is very optional. You are welcome to just blend the skin of the banana, add honey if you don't have yogurt. I always think about people who live in the countries where obtaining or getting yogurt is like they can't reach or afford that. So banana skin, put a little bit of honey, blend this in the blender and add a little bit of the inside of the banana itself. But at this time I just want to do the banana skin with yogurt. blueberry yogurt. Blueberry contains a lot of powerful antioxidants that even if you use just yogurt alone and apply on your skin, people will ask you if you had plastic surgery on your skin. So like to toss in half of the inside of the banana itself. So you're gonna transfer this in a plastic container. So what I love to do is to bring this under my eyes. Bring it right under your eyes and go back and put on your banana skin. And then you're gonna finish applying this all over your face. Okay, so make sure you get it all the way to your neck area. We age very fast on our neck, and because this contains a lot of yogurt, lactic acid, it is going to give our skin extra boost to glow. So after applying this face mask, you're gonna wait for about 10 minutes to wash it off. So after 10 minutes is gone, I am feeling a little bit of tingling on my face. What this is doing is that if you have pimples on your skin, acne, if you have bigger pores, it's going to help tighten up and firm your skin. So after 10 minutes, we're gonna wash it off. So let's go and take it off. Take it off now. So after 10 minutes, the skin is glowing, extra luscious. So guys, stop throwing away your banana rotting or unrotting. Use them to make something meaningful, especially on your skin. So whatever is left will be stored in the fridge and used between 24 to 48 hours. Make sure you store them in a plastic container just to maintain the consistency. So guys, I will leave you guys here. Subscribe, share the video. Love you, love you, love you. Bye bye.